This will do the trick. You'll have a good heart with this clock. What better for a wee bird who's just fallen out of the nest? A little mint chocolate to wash it down, of course. William, close the window, please. I have something important to tell you. To be sure you don't turn back into a giant ice cube forever, there are 3 rules you must always obey. Firstly, never touch the hands of your heart. Rule number 2, keep your temper under control. Last but not least, the most important rule, whatever else you do, never fall in love, 'cause then forevermore, if your heart goes in a spin, the big hand at your core will pop out of your skin. Your bones will implode, your cogs and springs explode, and your cuckoo-clock heart grind to a halt for good.